Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be swatching some of my favorite red lipsticks. Now why red? Because I feel this is the perfect time to wear your red lipsticks. I'm someone who does not really gravitate towards red lipsticks a lot, but I do believe they brighten up your face like no other shades can. And also the holiday season is upon us. Christmas is right around the corner. And not to forget, there are shadis happening everywhere around. So it's the perfect time to take out those red lipsticks and wear them. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite red lipstick, so stay tuned and keep watching. So first up is the lip shade that I'm wearing today. It's the Prosh matte lipstick in the shade Kiss Me Red. Now this is a bullet matte lipstick, but it has a very comfortable formula, so it glides easily onto your lips and has a very comfortable formula. It appears matte on your lips but won't dry them out. It's a blue tone red which beautifully complements all kind of Indian skin tones, and this one according to me is a dupe of the very famous MAC lipstick Ruby Woo. Not the spot on dupe, but they are very similar. Nevertheless, this retails for 650 rupees and you can always get a discount on it. Beautiful formula, beautiful color, stays on the lips for 3 to 4 hours and really affordable too. The next one that I have is from Lakme. It's their 925 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color. So they have changed the packaging of this one. I have the older packaging with me, but it's such a beautiful blue tone red again. A deeper red than the Prush Beauty one, but still on the brighter side. The shade is called Crimson Silk and the texture of this lipstick is very silky and the color is spot on. Again, I feel this one will flatter across all kind of Indian skin tones. It's a comfortable mousse formula which settles into matte after a few minutes, not very drying on the lips and stays on for about 3 to 4 hours without any need of reapplication. And the best part about this one is that you can use this as a blush. Personally, I use this more as a blush rather than a lipstick, but it's a beautiful lip shade as well. This one retails for 725, but you can get a discount on it. The next one that I have is from Gush Beauty. It's the Play Paint Liquid Matte Lipstick and the shade is called Paint the Town Red. This shade is not my personal favorite, but I would still include this in the video. This one is an orange toned red, which means it leans towards an orangish red category. Not my personal favorite, but I do love the formula of this lipstick. It's a liquid matte lipstick, yet the formula is non-drying. I love how Gush Beauty has nailed with their formula in the liquid lipsticks. This is truly a very bright orangey red, and I feel this will suit deeper skin tones more, but it's wearable across all skin tones. Instantly brightens up the face, amazing formula and very affordable as well. This retails for only 550 rupees and again you can always get a discount on these. So if you're looking for an orange toned red lipstick, this is the one to go for. The next one that I have is one of the most loved and popular red lipsticks across the globe. It's the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. I don't think this lipstick needs any introduction. It's such an universal and loved lipstick. This was the first MAC lipstick that I owned, so it's very special to me. A very beautiful blue toned red which looks very different on different skin tones, but it flatters across all kind of skin tones and I have witnessed that personally. This is a shade that is meant to suit all kind of skin tones. However, the formula of this one is absolutely not something that I like. It's extremely dry, but I believe MAC has reformulated some of these lipsticks and the newer Ruby Woo has a comfortable matte formula. I have not tried that myself, so I cannot really say for sure, but if you have, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of this formula, but the shade is to just die for. This has to be the red lipsticks that I've reached out the most for, so you can understand how much I love it. I also happen to have the gloss version of the same Ruby Woo. I have made a separate video on this, so if you're interested in watching that, I'll link it up here. MAC lipsticks are of course very expensive, and only if you want to splurge and have the budget for it, then I would recommend this. Otherwise, there are tons of options in the market to choose from. Like I just mentioned a while back, the Prush Beauty lipstick is very similar to MAC Ruby Woo, so you can definitely consider that as an alternative. Next up, I have the Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Disorderly. Now, this one is not for the faint-hearted. This is a very dark brick toned red which has brown undertones to it. It's really deep, really dark, and I feel this will suit medium to deeper skin tones better. And I personally think deeper skin tone people would rock this shade so much more. Beautiful, comfortable matte formula. I have the mini size of this one. However, I could not find this on Nykaa currently. If I can find it on any other e-commerce website, I'll link it down below. It's such a pretty shade, but I've not really worn it much. Like I said, it's not for the faint-hearted, and I somehow tend to stay away from deeper shades. But I've worn it a couple of times, and it's such a stunning shade and so perfect for this shadi and holiday season. The original Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte Lipsticks retails for somewhere around 2700 if I'm not wrong. But I got the pack of 2 minis back in the day when they were selling these exclusive boxes. Don't really remember the price of these. Next up, I have another matte lipstick, and this one falls into the deeper red category. The shade is called Diva, and it's very true to its name. This one sort of has a warm undertone, but it's such a nice, deep, burgundy kind of a shade. It's definitely in the red category, but it does lean a little towards burgundy. The color is intense, looks so rich, and feels luxurious on your lips. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's a comfortable matte formula. If you're someone who owns the MAC matte lipsticks, you would know that they are not long lasting, but they have a very comfortable formula. And I'm someone who really enjoys such formulas even though they do not last so well. This shade will suit across all kind of Indian skin tones, but particularly I feel this shade looks the best on medium to deeper skin tones. The color payoff is great and stays on for 2 to 3 hours without any need of reapplication. The full size of this lipstick is priced at 2550 and the mini comes at 1650. And last but not the least, I have Flossy Cosmetics In Therapy Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Flag. This one is very similar to the last lipstick that I showed you guys, MAC Diva, in terms of color, but the formula is very different. This one has a moussey formula, glides onto your lips very easily, has a rich color payoff and looks stunning on the lips. However, this is not transfer proof, so you have to be a little careful since the color is so deep. It could feel a little drying after a few hours, but nothing too bothersome. This shade is so stunning and it will suit across all skin tones, especially medium to deeper skin tones. It's so perfect for Christmas, which is right around the corner. It's a cool tone, deep red with slight pink undertones to it, and it looks so bomb on the lips. This retails for 799 and you can grab them from their website. This stays on for a good 3 to 4 hours. It might transfer from the middle of your lips, but that's about it. But I would definitely recommend this for the color payoff and the stunning shade. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you were able to discover a few new red lipsticks through this video. I'll see you guys the next time with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.